Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Elder Scrolls Online. First, you will need to choose your preferred platform, such as PC, PlayStation, or Xbox, and purchase the base game. This purchase typically includes the Morrowind chapter, offering a great starting point. Next, you will create your character, selecting a class and race that aligns with your desired playstyle. Finally, complete the initial tutorial to grasp the fundamental mechanics before venturing into your first zone. As you begin your journey, character progression is key. You will gain experience and level up by completing various quests, exploring the vast world, and defeating numerous enemies. Each level grants you skill points, which you should strategically invest into active abilities, passive skills, and crafting lines to enhance your character. Remember to always equip gear that matches your current level and chosen role to ensure optimal performance in combat and exploration. Tamriel offers a wealth of content to explore. You can immerse yourself in captivating story quests, challenge yourself in challenging dungeons, and participate in dynamic world events. For a more social experience, consider joining one of the many player guilds. They provide access to trading, group activities, and a supportive community. Additionally, subscribing to ESO Plus grants you access to all downloadable content and an invaluable crafting bag for unlimited material storage. To further enhance your gameplay, consider researching optimized character builds and ability rotations online. This can significantly maximize your character's potential in various content. If you enjoy competitive play, dive into player versus player combat in large-scale battles across Cyrodiil or intense skirmishes in the Imperial City. Finally, engage with the robust in-game economy by trading with other players or utilizing guild stores to buy and sell valuable items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.